Hey guys, so about 2 months ago, I started thinking about what is the most efficient way to improve subject scores in a very short period of time. A lot of companies have asked this question and they claim to do that too, but it's easy to see that they're not very good at it. And the reason is pretty simple. It is because they spend way too much time on teaching you and instructing you, and really a fraction of it on practice. Which is, if you think about it, how you improve on anything and how you learn anything. It's the practice that makes perfect, not attending classes. So it's pretty clear that if you want to maximize scores in a short period of time, let's say a week, practicing has to be in the front and center of your strategy. And whatever time is spent on learning the concepts, it has to be driven by insights drawn from your practicing strategy. Now, if you look at the current landscape of test prep companies out there, none of them have attempted to create a study plan around an optimized practice strategy, and that is because that's not where money's at. So even though they want to reduce prep time and maximize scores, they want to continue to make money, and I don't blame them for it. But money is in the instruction business. Producing video lectures, 4K video lectures, animated videos, live classes, anything where they can justify charging you $500 to $2,000. And it's totally unnecessary. You ask yourself, how many hours of teaching do you really need to solve an elementary algebra problem? Sure, you may have some knowledge gaps, but once you identify those gaps, which is what the objective of a good practicing strategy is already, they're all really a Google search away. So why pay so much money for something that you can do yourself? So we at Testizen decided to create a study plan focused on everyday practice and prove our conviction that not only daily practice should be the front and center of a good prep strategy, but it is by far the most effective way to increase your scores in a short period of time. And a nice side effect, you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars for it either because it's cheap. So what I have for you today is a plan you can follow along and adapt your study schedules to it and come out finally seeing some real growth in a short period of time. But no matter what I say, try it out for yourself and tell us if we're right in our conviction. Head to the Testizen website, drop your email, and we'd love to send you some more details about the program. Thank you. See you on the other side.